Surprise, surprise! Justin Bieber says he is not a fan of The Weeknd.
What do you mean?
The 22-year-old singer was leaving West Hollywood hotspot Delilah Friday night when TMZ Photogs asked whether or not he listens to The Weeknd's music. To which he replied, quote, "Hell no, that whack."
Listen too late to say sorry now.
Not surprising, considering Justin's ex Selena Gomez was recently spotted kissing the Starboy singer and is rumored to be dating him.
Can't keep my hands to myself.
The Weeknd's ex, Bella Hadid, has seemingly made her stance on the new relationship, unfollowing Selena on social media and posting a pic of herself flipping off the cameras after the news broke of their relationship.
It makes you reevaluate your life sometimes.